In this video, I'm documenting the height of the needle with respect to the hook straight from factory. This is a brand new machine, sewing machine. And if you can see the different settings here, this is set up to be at a pretty simple default straight stitch width, needle position, right out of box. All that stuff being right there, and I'm going to show where the hook is in relation to the needle. Here's a Singer HD 6380M sewing machine. I'm documenting the height right from factory. There, that's the sewing timing right there. And if you pay attention to that, at the crossing point, that's the height that it needs to be. And basically at the lowest point, it's right there. I'd say that's a good 4-5 millimeter over the needle head.